Without cholesterol, we can't think a single thought, digest a single milligram of fat, or make a single hormone. So, why is high cholesterol such an issue? It's not. It's when our bodies are in a constant state of low-grade inflammation and oxidative stress that our luxurious, large cell, fluffy cholesterol becomes damaged, shrinks, and can't be reabsorbed back into the liver's recycling program. In Easy Breezy's 7-day program, we wipe out inflammation and oxidative stress by removing toxins, foreign substances, microplastics, heavy metals, viruses, and parasites from your liver and colon, so homeostasis is restored. And the most amazing thing, because I absolutely love food, is you can eat whatever you want. Clogged biliary ducts, which don't show up in CT scans, result in things like cloudy thoughts, painful fat digestion, and our hormones being all over the place. But bottom line is that that's a result of the cholesterol your liver and small intestines produce not flowing the way it's supposed to. By eliminating the hundreds to thousands, and I absolutely mean thousands of liver stones we 100% have because of the environment we now live in, homeostasis is restored in your body, putting us back on track to the optimal superhuman health most of us had as teens. And who doesn't want that? I know I do. If this resonates with you, click below and check out Easy Breezy's 7-day full body and mind protocol. Bye.